morning, everyone. I am Kalyan Bering. I am working in Stark Visa as a operation head, and today I am going to discuss few of the frequently asked questions related to Australia immigration. So जो पहला क्वेश्चन मेरे पास आया that is from Mr. Sumit, who is 42 years of age, living in Mumbai, and he is working as a marketing professional. The question which he had asked that what is the eligibility criteria for obtaining permanent residency in Australia? Now, as per Australian immigration policy is concerned, there are three different eligibility criteria which is available. First, आपका ऑक्यूपेशन उनकी डिमांड लिस्ट में होना चाहिए. नाउ ऑस्ट्रेलियन गवर्नमेंट ने 3 ऑक्यूपेशन लिस्ट इशू किया है. फर्स्ट इज MLTSSL, सेकंड वन इज STSOL एंड द थर्ड वन इज ROL. सो इन 3 ऑक्यूपेशन लिस्ट में किसी एक लिस्ट में आपका ऑक्यूपेशन फॉल होना जरूरी है. सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट कंडीशन. सेकंड, आपको आपके 65 पॉइंट्स बनने चाहिए बेस्ड ऑन द कोर ह्यूमन फैक्टर, which is your age, your education, your work experience, your English efficiency, and the spouse ability factor. And the third eligibility criteria, your age should be within 45 years of age. Second question है Mr. Abhishek से, and he is from Delhi. His age is 36 years of age and he is working in retail sector. उनका जो सवाल है that what is the English language requirement for obtaining permanent residency in Australia? Now, एक misconception market में है that you need to secure 7 on each band in IELTS or 65 on each in PT to eligible for Australia immigration, but that is not true. The lowest eligibility criteria for English requirement is that you need to secure 6 on each in IELTS or 50 on each in PT, even though you are not going to get any points for English. But if you are meeting 65 point criteria without even considering the English score, your application is good to go ahead. Third question is from Miss Ria. She is from Delhi, 27 years of age, and she is working as a software engineer. उनका सवाल है that can I include my family members in the permanent residency application? Now, one thing I would like to clarify that when it comes to immigration, and we mention the terminology dependents. Dependent means me, my spouse, and my children till 18 years of age. So अगर आपके फैमिली मेंबर इस कैटेगरी में फॉल करें तो डेफिनेटली यू कैन इंक्लूड देम इन द एप्लीकेशन. बट अगर बात करें पेरेंट्स की या सिबलिंग की, दे कांट बी कंसिडर्ड विद इन द एप्लीकेशन बिकॉज दे आर इंडिपेंडेंट एप्लीकेंट्स. दे नीड टू मीट द क्राइटेरिया इंडिपेंडेंटली एंड दे नीड टू प्रोसेस देयर एप्लीकेशन इंडिपेंडेंटली. Fourth question is from Ms. Paromita from Kolkata. She is 37 years age and working as an advertising professional. उनका जो सवाल है that are there any changes in immigration policy or rules that might affect my chances of obtaining a permanent residency? So whenever you submit your application, जो भी आपने inputs दिए हैं, that will keep on changing unless and until you are getting an ITA. Be it in terms of changing your marital status, आपकी एज बढ़ जाती है, आपके एडुकेशन में एडिशन होता है, और आपने इंग्लिश एग्जाम रीअटेम्प्ट किया है, या इमिग्रेशन पॉलिसी में कुछ भी चेंजेस आ रहे हैं. सो जब तक ITA नहीं आ जाता है तब तक वो आपके एप्लीकेशन में इम्पैक्ट करेगा. सो हियर माई अर्नेस्ट रिकमेंडेशन टू एवरीवन इज दैट आप लोगों को अपना एप्लीकेशन जल्द से जल्द UI में सबमिट करना जरूरी है, so that we can reach the ITA stage on time before any kind of negative immigration policy which can impact our application may happen. So last question is from Mr. Rahul. Age is 26 years of age, IT business analyst, living in Pune. So his question is it possible to apply for citizenship after obtaining permanent residency? So the answer is yes. Once you had completed 4 years of stay on permanent residency status, you are eligible to get your visa converted into a citizenship status.